So, students, now let us learn some important aspects in case of carbon and its compounds. Not entire chapter, I am going to cover some important. Carbon, few things you have to remember. Valency of carbon is 4. Very important. Tetravalent. Tetravalency. It shares 4 bonds, 4 pair of electrons. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and 4 pair. That is why we show like this. Or we show double bond and 2 single. Another type, triple bond like this. If you see, there are 4 bonds. If you see each carbon, single bonded, double bonded, triple bonded. One more thing, remember, hydrogen, always single covalent bond. Always. Because hydrogen, if you take, electron is 1 outside, last electron, another hydrogen 1. So in this way, it shares single covalent bonds. If you take a chlorine, it is single covalent. If you take oxygen, it is a double covalent. Always, wherever you see oxygen in the structural formula, there must be 2 bonds for each oxygen. Because oxygen contains, remember, 6 electrons outside, valence. Another oxygen, again 6. It shares like this, it shares like this. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Sharing is 2 pair. That is why it is double bond. In the same manner, remember, nitrogen is a triple bond, sharing with another nitrogen. Triple bond, 3 pair of what you call covalent, 3 pair of electrons, 3 covalent bonds. So initially you must know the sharing. Initially, carbon makes friendship more with hydrogen, maximum. And there are many other elements like chlorine, like oxygen, like sulfur, like nitrogen. It goes on sharing. It forms a huge bond in organic chemistry. Organic, it is called organic. Organic means study about carbon and its family. I think you're understanding. So initially you must know background. I am covering only the background. I am not telling entire chapter. By this you can read, and if you have doubts you can ask me. So that is why it is called a carbon having total number of bonds going to be 4. Now, after knowing this, you must know the basic knowledge like for 1 carbon it is a myth, for 2 it is eth, for 3 it is a prop, for 4 it is a but, for 5 it is a pent, for 6 it is hex, for 7 it is hept, for 8 it is oct, for 9 it is non, for 10 it is a deck. And in case of hydrocarbons, remember, there are categories like open chain and closed chain. In open chain, it is saturated hydrocarbons. Another one, unsaturated hydrocarbons. In saturated only one type, we call it as alkane. And in unsaturated, there are two kinds. One is alkene, another one is alkyne. It ends with ane, alkane. It ends with ene, alkene. Alkyne, yne. It is always single bonded, saturated. Alkene always a double bond. Alkyne is always a triple bond. In between two carbon atoms, double bond or triple bond. It is coming under unsaturated. Everywhere single bond, it is coming under alkanes. Remember, in petrol, in diesel, in kerosene, all these are alkanes. Oil-like structure, they are coming under alkenes. Food industry, remember, and some other chemicals, they are all having alkanes, alkenes, and some are having alkynes. More detail you will learn in the PUC first year science. But in 10th, remember few things, but very interesting chapter it is. After knowing this information, let us learn some examples about alkanes. For example, propane. Propane. If you break the word prop and ane, if you take butene, but and ene, if you take ethine, eth and wine, yne. Prop means three. It ends with ane. General formula is this. En, general formula is H2n. General formula is H2n minus 2. For plus 2, alkane. For minus 2, alkyne. For only 2n, it is coming under alkenes. While writing, you remember, don't write CN, H2n. It is wrong. You have to write here only. And the N indicates, remember, number of carbon atoms. So, prop, you put here 3. Prop means 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 2, 8. Over. It is called molecular formula. CnH2 and but means 4. 2 4s are 8. Double, if you see, double. Eth, it is 2. 2 to the 4 minus 2 is 2. All these indicate molecular formula. If you want structural formula, 1, 2, 3. In single bond. Next, you remember valency. Carbon is 1 here. But initially I told you carbon is having 4. Valency. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have to write hydrogen. If you come here, 1, 2, 3, 4. ENA, here you put double, remaining single. Here you can put double bond anywhere. There is no rule. There are some rules like IUPAC. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. There are some rules made for alkanes, made for alkenes, made for alkynes. According to that those rules, you have to put double bond or triple bond. Here for 10 standard, no problem, no such issues. Remaining single bond, valency of carbon, you must remember, carbon is 4, already 2 are there, 3 and 4. You can put like this also. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can put one bond here or here. Total you must show 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you will understand. And here C2, YN, triple bond. Remember immediately valency of carbon 4, 3 are there already. So 1 and 1. So it is structural formula, structural formula, structural formula. One question is fixed. Write the structural formula. And for one more question, number of covalent bonds in butene. Number of covalent bonds. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bonds. Here if you take, in case of propane, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, you have to start from anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 8, 9, 10. Understood? 10. Here 1, 2, 3. Again I repeat 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of bonds going to be 10. So they may ask some questions in 1 mark, objective questions. You must be careful. You must be careful. This is how they ask some important questions for you. This is coming under alkanes and alkenes and alkynes. So you must remember the basic things along with the dot structure. And one more thing, remember, they may ask dot structure, electronic dot structure for say ethane or propene you take, propene. Double bond, single, 1, 2, 3, 4, don't give, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is hydrogen. So C3, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is structure formula. If you want electron dot structure, remember carbon, carbon, carbon. Here H, write H, H, write H. It is double bond. Carbon valency is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because double. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 1. After this, hydrogen is here 1. Hydrogen is here 1. Hydrogen is here 1. Hydrogen is here 1. Now what to do is, you have to round off. You have to round off like this. Like this. First hydrogen, round off. Carbon Next, total should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to round off for carbon. Watch. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round off. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round off. It is called electronic dot structure. First, you must draw structure formula. Accordingly, you go on giving electrons. Carbon you must show 4. Hydrogen you must show 1. In this way, you must be able to understand this. To draw perfectly the dot structure, you must write this. Unless you write this, sometimes you may commit mistakes. So that's why when they ask electronic dot structure, please try to understand this much. And usually they ask the questions from myth to deck. Well within this. Higher studies, remember, they ask some other questions. This is about dot structure. And after this, I would like to tell you some information about, say, cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes. For example, carbon. Cyclo means closed. Alk means almost single bond. ANE, alkane, carbon atoms, hydrogen with single bond, alkanes. So cycloclosed, carbon valency is 4. 1, 2, you can say 3 and 4. 1, 2, you can say 3 and 4. 1, 2, you can say 3 and 4. Remember, cycloalkanes start from 3 carbon atoms minimum. There must be closed structure. Cycloalkane general, 3 are there. Cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Cycloethane is not there. It is not there because eth means only 2. You cannot close it. It is coming under open. So that's why all of you remember cyclo begins minimum with what you call 3 carbon atoms. It is one more type. And next you remember general formula for alkanes. I already told cycloalkanes is also CnH2n. Say next. We come across aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Aroma, sweet smell or odor. What we call sweet odor, they are coming under aromatic. Perfumes come under aromatic. Scent, attar, they are coming under aromatic. Fragrant smell, natural, they are coming under aromatic. Usually, first member of this is benzene. It is benzene. It contains, remember, 6 carbon atoms. First condition. Second condition, it should be closed. It should be closed. Third condition, alternate single and double bond. So let us see. 6 carbon atoms should be closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Closed. Close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternate single, double bond. Single, double, single, double, single, double. Carbon valency 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3. You can say 4. 1, 2, 3, you can say 4. 1, 2, 3, it is 4. 1, 2, 3, it is 4. Again 4. Again 4. Alternate. Or you can write like this also. Like this. A ring here. Do not write carbon and hydrogen. It is okay. Understood. You can write like this. But better in the exam, you will follow this. It's not wrong. It is right. Better you follow this. Or sometimes you may start like this: carbon, 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 carbon. Here, alternate single double bond means I have started here single. You can start with a double, no problem. Double, then single, double, single, double, single. Each one single hydrogen. Over. Benzene, first member. It is called resonance structure. You will understand why to write like this in the PUC, in a degree of science BSc. You will learn very much in detail why the structures are like this. Even if I want to tell you out of syllabus, naphthalene, naphthalene, dambar tablets, dambar gulige in Kannada, what we call. It contains like this, watch, benzene structures. Beautiful benzene structure. Single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Single, you can give, say, double, single, double, single, double. Or sometimes they write double here, then you go for adjustment. Or sometimes they may write like this, just two, what we call rings. Number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Procedure is like that. See, 10H8, what we call molecular formula for naphthalene. It is out of syllabus. Like that, you can write a number of what you call structural formula, molecular formula, their reactions. All those things you will learn only in PUC level and BSc, not in SSLC. In SSLC, you have to remember the name, molecular formula, structure formula, guarantee questions. It is a huge chapter. In the beginning only I told, I will not cover entire chapter for this in this particular video class. Only informations. What is this? If you have doubts, you can ask n number of questions. I have already given my phone number. You can call. You can ask n number of questions in this chapter, even though it is out of syllabus. I can answer for you. But in this video class, I am giving you just a hint what this chapter mainly contains. And after this, one more important information I want to give you, that is functional groups. With after that, I can say I have covered some important informations, that is called functional groups. Hydrocarbons, when they, in which one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH or by CHO or by COO or by COOH or by ClBr iodine. This is called, remember, alcohol. It is called aldehyde. It is called ester. It is called carboxylic acid. And they are coming under halogens. All salt products are nothing but halo. Salt product produced halo, chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro. These are in the 17th group of the periodic table. Carboxylic acids, they help you in the preparation of soaps. And ester, sweet agent. Aldehydes, they are available in the hospitals to say a dead, what you call, animals. After death, they give bad smell. To avoid that one, remember, we are using aldehydes like a formaldehyde, formalin. In the hospitals, they clean the floor, even bed sheets, with help of this. They kill bacteria. Aldehyde, formaldehyde. Another alcohol. It is usually used in the drinks, always in allopathy and homeopathy also. Small pills, they put alcohol, which is good for health. Not taking in this one so quantity. Alcohol means they put some uh, drops of alcohol, few drops of alcohol in the pills, not to get the any dosing. The only thing is to cure some say disease like a cough, sneezing and all that. It is almost all is used, even in ayurvedic. It's a good heptite, you can tell it is being used. So you must know these, and generally we write this one as ROH, this one as RCHO, this one as RCO, ester, COO it is actually. Or sometimes we, if you write only one, it is called ketone. Two, if you write, it is called ester. Only one CO, it is called ketone. Carboxylic acid or COOH, and halogens, usually we write RCl. RCl, RBR, like that. It is alkyl, methyl, like that. So many detailed informations. So another thing, remember, very important, alcohols end with alkanol. Aldehydes, alkanal, alkanal. Ketone, alkanone. Carboxylic, alkanoic. Alkanoic acids, and you can say for this one halo alkanes. These are called IUPAC names. IUPAC names. For example, I want to tell you, say for alcohols and all that. Say for example, CH3, CH2OH. Myth it. It is called it. Name says ethanol. Over. If you come to this CH3, CH2, CHO, or you can write here only CHO. In this, count number of carbon atoms, 2. That's why it is called ethanol. If you come to alkanone, CH3, CO, CH3, always ketone is written at the mid, not at the end. So count 1, 2, 3. Myth, it, propanone. Name is propanone. If you remember alkanone, here alkanone, it is a propanone. And if you come for this CH3, COOH, you have to count the carbon atoms, 1 to it. It is called alkanoic, ethanoic. You can remember ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. And the last one, haloalkanes. For example, you can tell CH3Cl. Here Cl it is, don't count carbon, only one. It is called haloalkane. Chloro, carbon is one, methane, chloromethane. In this way, these are the IUPAC names, and these are the molecular formula. And this part is most important. So in this way, you must study the chapter very well. It's a very, very important chapter. Any other difficulties, if you come across while reading, you please contact me. Again, I am telling you, again, I write my number. I have written my number in almost all the videos: 97437555603. You can call only in between 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. You can make a call except Tuesday. Remaining days you can make a call, then put the messages, send some questions. Definitely we will answer for your questions. Any difficulties out of syllabus, because in the videos it takes a longer time, so many days to tell or to teach what you call unknown things, extra things. That's why we have given you my phone number. Thank you very much. And remember, our admissions already started. Many are taking the forms. Definitely remember, you people, we will help you even say before your examinations. Any other questions, any clarification if you want, you can. Okay, with this, God bless you. And here we start sending you the question papers along with the model, even for state CBSE and state board and CBSE also. We send model answers, go through it. Any difficulties, please make a call. No hesitation. And we will arrange for biology some important chapters, one or two or three chapters within few days. Thank you very much.